Rob hanging here, playing with the same old steam engine. Today we have this walking beam steam engine hooked up to an electric motor to generate electricity, which gets passed up to the resistor, up to the green LED light, and we're going to have the input coming into the voltage meter, and we're going to be running it off of 32 psi. The bottle holds air with just a regular old bike valve and has the little T-piece just wedged in there by the pressure, and that keeps it from leaking. Actually holds air all night. And so let's give it pressure. And we got power of the light. And we are reading a steady 5 volts. I've worked on the steam engine lately, and I tried oiling the cylinder and valve, and it seems to just made things stiffer. Before I oiled, the engine ran off a minimum of 12 psi, and now it's up to 15. You get quite a bit of running time out of just a 2-liter bottle. I've tried modifying the flywheel to be geared up more or less, and if you give it more weight you can gear it down a bit, but I find that this works the best. It's still generating 5 volts. And also the electric work was done by electrical engineer John Hangett, my brother. Side note, Lego lines, pipe lines can only hold up to about 45 psi. The pump cannot pump, the little hand pump can't do that much pressure, and you have to make sure your lines are secure, otherwise they pop right off. I've run this motor up to 40 psi and it'll run off of 20 and down to 15. We've barely run the LED now, down to 3 volts. These electric motors will do about 15 volts if you spin them up fast enough, but normally they run about 9 off of the Mindstorm set. Now we're just teetering down to 2 to 3, and we're out. Just a quick check. Check the pressure on the bottle. John, will you assist me? And we are running, can't read it on here, how much is that, John?
12 psi.
12 psi, it stopped. So thanks for hanging with me, and next time we might bring you something even cooler.